gentlemen, and my distinguished panelists, it's my pride and privilege that I get an opportunity to address all of you related to smart city. I stand here as a citizen of India first, and then representative of Vodafone. Vodafone has earmarked various initiatives related to smart cities across the world. In fact, some of you would know that the urban and rural inhabitation mix is changing very fast and dramatically. A decade back, when 50% of population was urban, which is getting converted to 70% in next 2 decades. We are already feeling the pressure of ever-increasing population, scarcity of basic day-to-day necessities. Implications of such growth would result in complete breakdown on essential resources such as water, electricity, healthy environment as a whole. Much higher traffic congestion, more pollution would adversely impact our quality of life and pose threat to general well-being. I was going through one of the recent studies which indicates that by 2020, India would need 500 more cities to accommodate the migration from rural India to urban India. We need 500 more cities for taking care of the migration. The building blocks of a future-ready city is traffic, tourism, parking, ticketing, maintenance, quality of air, digital signages, sensors, lighting, CCTV, stadiums. Simply put, a smart city is one that puts the citizen at the heart of every ecosystem, infrastructure, or socio-economic fabric. In fact, I was talking to one of very large consultant. He says that a smart city is such city where an individual decide to work, decide to retire, or even decide to die. That's the city. Various pundits have named smart city in various ways. A green field project could be a city which is getting built from scratch. A brown field could be a city like Jaipur, where we do not lose the core or flavor of that city, or a white field, which is like a city which is evolving in evolution like Gurgaon. A green city, I understand, it's getting created, which is known as Naya Raipur. A third approach, which would suit Indian large cities, which is white field, like Gurgaon, Bangalore, maybe Chennai. A smart city or a future-ready city, as we call it, would use ICT to enhance better health, education, and overall well-being by using technology which help reduce tremendous cost, resource consumption, and also improve G2C and C2G communication. The recent Digital India, which was launched, one of the key pillars was how the government can communicate with citizens. Every day we find that there are various tools and measures through government communicates with citizens, but there are hardly any communication between citizen to government. Smart solution for smart governance. The technology supports execution and leads the way for accountability. Vodafone enables government and civic agencies to plan, execute, and monitor solution for a smart city in the most efficient manner. Simply put, we can help create smart solution for smart governance, which is one of the core for a smart city. Better quality of living, better connectivity, and better governance. Vodafone enables various components of smart city, government and citizen in many fields by keeping citizen as a local focal point. We have the required experience and expertise to manage and build smart cities across the globe. Power is the biggest drainer of public money, be it generation, transmission, or distribution. We have helped various government organizations to manage the entire cycle through energy data management solutions. Battling traffic and providing better safety are also high priorities area. Just to give an example, 40% of traffic congestion in Germany is because there is a car trying to find a parking space. Through our traffic management solution, we have eliminated that part of traffic congestion through Internet of Things, sensors, and various governance methods, which can be replicated in other cities. In India, we are trying to replicate in 9 cities. Creating smart city across the globe, we have the experience and the expertise. And we started with Istanbul, we've gone to Madrid, Barcelona, of course Italy. Qatar is one of the live cases where we have implemented smart city. Part of UK, Netherlands, Germany. Years of our global experience has helped to create a credible partner ecosystem across many countries to mobilize and replicate various smart city components. Because as a telecom service provider, you would not be able to do everything on your own. Let me highlight the work done by Vodafone in Qatar, where we collaborated with government of Qatar to crowdsource ideas from citizens to make their cities better. These ideas were then used to create citizen-centric services. Being a leading mobility and connectivity player globally and in India, we are keen to leverage our experience and expertise to co-create by bringing global best practice in India. We ensure speed, simplicity, and trust. We are the global giant and the world's first machine-to-machine communication service provider, enabling smart connectivity. Our mobile solution, we have the mobile service delivery platform, which is created in UK but now can be replicated in India, enabling various components of mobile governance. We have unique product known as M-Pesa, where you can do cash transfer. We are working with Government of Maharashtra, where scholarship will be transferred through mobile phone. There is no transaction of cash. We are one of the authenticated service provider for Aadhaar, where authentication service can be done through us by enabling unique identity system. In fact, in Delhi, we have also implemented Aadhaar-based biometric attendance system, which is currently running in various offices of Delhi. Vodafone Last Mile is to the last Indian. In fact, one of the speech of our Prime Minister Modi indicates that the governance should not be in state, should not be in center, it should be in the hand of each and every citizen. We have the solutions, we have the capability and the rural reach. We are the highly penetrated GSM service provider in the country with largest rural subscriber base, and we are ready to serve in any manner which helps create